Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to next step here, and here you're looking for PicWish app. So or just click on search here. So then you add here PicWish, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.